Do you want to crush your productivity on iPhone or the iOS like a pro? In this video, of course, I'm sharing the top 5 productivity apps that I use: Voice Memos, Apple Notes, Perplexity, Swift Invoice, Songshift. I may not add Asana, and it would totally transform how you organize, create, and get work done. So I don't care if you're juggling projects, tracking invoices, or you're just needing something else to play with your phone. See, I bet you this thing is worth your time. Let's talk about Apple Notes. What are the things that Apple Notes can do? Apple Notes offers a wide range of features to capture, organize, and secure your notes. Do you know that Apple Notes does that rich formatting like Microsoft Word? It does tables, bulleted lists. You can also add multimedia stuff like photos, videos, scanned documents, PDF, web links, and even voice memos. I'm telling you, sometimes it blows my mind how much notes have grown from the time I started using an iPhone, which is like way back in 2019, I think, up until now. Like, my mind is blown. I'm not an iOS versus Android person, save that story. But genuinely, I love using the technology behind whatever they use to make it, because it's really good. And I'm talking about the ingrown apps, not iPhone can do this, Android can do this. No, nothing like that. Number 2, do you know that you can scan documents and photos directly into your notes, and you can mark them off with drawing tools? You can also add PDFs, web links, like I said. You can do handwriting, even on the phone. No, I'm not talking iPad. You can do handwriting. You can also use the Apple Pencil, which I use on my iPad, and it will convert it into handwriting. Like, you use the pencil and convert it into handwriting. You can also record audio within the notes and get real-time transcriptions. Yeah, let me say Android do that. You can also search across your typed and handwritten notes, including text. Do you know you can actually copy text? I thank God you are seeing the demo as I'm saying it, so it's not like I'm just saying it with my mouth, but it works and it blows my head, And I'm not an Apple fanboy, so I'm just saying it because I think that if you have an iPhone and you're not using it, please dash me or use it. But this video is to tell you how to use it. You can pin important notes to the top of your list. You can collaborate by sharing notes with others for viewing or editing. You can lock notes using Face ID or PIN or a password to keep them private. You can use quick notes. You can use Apple Intelligence. I think Apple Intelligence is from people who have iPhone 15 or an M1, because I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max and there is no Apple Intelligence there, You can also drag and drop notes to create reminders. You can export and print notes as needed. I genuinely used to be somebody who looked for so many notes apps because I write a lot. I think everybody who knows me, I have this one. I still keep it because I still write. I still have papers. I still have everything. Like, I demo it in every video. I love to write. I write a lot. I write songs. My brain is so full that if I don't write, I'll just go mental. So you can imagine how useful the Notes app has been for me, because it has just allowed me I can just be working and a song idea just comes and I open Notes, not voice memos. I open Notes, and when I open Notes, I press the record in Notes, and then I say what I want to say, and the notepad will transcribe it. That blows my mind. I kid you not. So that's for Apple Notes. Our second app of the day is Songshift. So if you're on Spotify, this is not a music thing, but if you have a Spotify account where you listen to music, I need to transfer my very plenty playlist on Spotify down to Apple Music. That is where Songshift comes in. With Songshift, you can transfer your playlist, your albums, your songs between major streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, YouTube Music, Amazon Music, Deezer, Napster, and more. You can also share your playlist with friends across many platforms, including Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook, using Songshift. You can also do a batch transfer. I think I did a batch transfer because I had too many songs on my playlist. You can monitor your playlist for updates, and you can sync it So every time your Spotify playlist is getting updated, you can get updated on Apple Music. It's really good, and you can actually import Apple data. You can import Apple Music data exported from Apple's data export tool. And then the free version supports basic transfer, while the pro version unlocks unlimited transfers, more accounts, advanced features. The third one is Swift Invoice. I pay Nigerian Naira. I pay 7,500 for a year for my Invoice app, and my Invoice app looks good. Yes, you can create your own Invoice app, but I love my Invoice app. Swift Invoice lets you quickly create and manage professional invoices. You can track sales, inventory, time, expenses, and even your balances with it. It supports tax and discount calculations, barcode scanning, and even you can generate your business reports. It syncs across all devices, and the app is praised for its ease of use. This is not available on Android. Songshift is available on Android. Apple Notes is not for Android, but Swift Invoice is also not for Android. And see, you are seeing as I'm showing you how clean this app is. This app is really, really good because I know I'm saying every app is good. It's just that nothing goes on my phone if it's just not good. Nothing goes on my phone if I cannot vouch by it and swear by it. And you see, for this app, I can swear by it. I like the ease of use. I like the way it looks. I like everything about the app, and that's why I'm vouching for it. It is powerful, it is simple, it offers features for small businesses, and it makes your invoicing fast, seamless, and mobile. And of course, millions of people have this Invoice. So go download. I don't have any benefit. I'm just telling you what I use on my iPhone. And these are, like I said, five apps that you would want to have on your iPhone. What can Swift Invoice do? Give you if someone says give me an estimate of how much it will cost, you can give them the estimate. If someone says quickly give me a receipt, and this is why I like it, because I can just quickly draft up a receipt and go. One reason why I don't like it, I'd say one con, is kind of like I need multiple currencies, since I obviously I'm not in Nigeria at the moment, so I need multiple currencies to give invoices or tell the guys at home that okay, give so and so this invoice. And we just need multiple currencies. But apart from that, there's no other one. Then number 4 is Apple Voice Memos. So with Voice Memos, you can quickly record high quality audio on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or watch. You can edit by trimming, replacing, and resuming. You can even add a second vocal track over existing recordings, ideal for musicians and songwriters. You can automatically transcribe your recordings into text for easy review and editing. You can sync all your memos directly on iCloud. You can share your recordings effortlessly through messages, mail, and other apps. And it is such a great tool because it supports external microphones and stereo recording. So I can chuck an external mic inside my iPhone and it's going to work. It's such a great tool because, of course, iPhone and their clean user white space thing, and you can just mix your song without stress. Why I think the iPhone Voice Memos is better than other apps is because other apps, you're going to pay for all the features that iPhone is giving you for free. The fact that I can just carry this phone, it's there. I can leave this phone at home and carry this laptop and it's there. It just blows my brain. And that's why I like it. Finally, we're going to talk about Perplexity. I talked about Perplexity in my last video. And why people prefer Perplexity over ChatGPT is that it is better for research. ChatGPT is more focused on conversation and creativity, but can sometimes hallucinate. Perplexity is more reliable and transparent. You can always see where Perplexity gets its info, so you can trust and you can verify it. It is great for professionals and students, especially useful for people who need accurate and up-to-date information, like journalists, researchers, or students. In short, Perplexity is a supercharged search engine and research assistant. It gives you fast, trustworthy, and source-backed answers, making it ideal for anyone who needs reliable information, not just a chat. That's why many people prefer it over ChatGPT. So if this video has been useful and you're sure that it has made sense and I have not been blabbing, then please subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video, right?